I'm Wally, RE/MAX Advantage Plus real estate agent, and I'm here at Topline Garage Door Company with owner, founder, family-owned business for 10 plus years, Bob Roloff.
Hey guys, thanks for having us, Wally. I appreciate it, buddy.
Welcome to the show. So let's get to it. First question, what products and services does Topline Garage Door offer its customers in the Twin Cities?
Well, good question, Wally. So basically, as a garage door company, we offer everything as far as from installation to repair, both residential, commercial, as far as garage doors and openers go.
Covers the gamut, repair and replacement, both residential and commercial. Good stuff. So everyone, when they call in, I would assume they're wondering how much is it going to cost as far as a repair is concerned. What's the process when somebody calls in and talks to you or Mike? How do you get that process going of getting them an estimate?
Okay, so basically what happens is if you call and have a problem with your door, I'll know right away, typically from what you're telling me, what's wrong with it. If the door is crooked, typically it's a broken cable. If the door doesn't open, it's a broken spring. So what we like to do is we like to diagnose it over the phone, and we really pride ourselves on giving upfront pricing. That way you're not getting taken to the bank, basically. So when we diagnose it over the phone, we'll give you an exact cost of what the cost will be, and then we come out there within a day or two, sometimes same day, and make the repairs. So typically your most service calls are going to be less than $200. They range from $89 all the way up to around $200.
Good stuff. So upfront pricing, and as Bob said, about 90% of garage door repairs are less than $200. So it's worth that phone call. So number three, as far as Wally's 3x3 is concerned, I work with reputable companies that I refer people to and that I use as well. You've done a few garage doors for me at my rental properties. So tell Wally World, what separates Topline from the rest?
Okay, well, the biggest thing is right now, we're just a really honest company. We're upfront. We do everything with integrity, and we stand behind our products. So if you do a new install, we offer lifetime tune-ups on them. Basically, you call annually. We don't call you to schedule it, but you can call us annually to schedule the tune-up. That way we can take care of your door and make sure that it's running smoothly like it should be, instead of it breaking in 10 years and going, it's been running like this for the last 3 years. So that's why we offer the free tune-up. We've been in business for over 10 years now. I started it back in 2008 and basically took that leap and went on my own. And the reason I did that was I knew I could do it better than the companies that I've always worked for. So behind that is again, doing that same stuff that most of the companies aren't doing. But the other thing is, we're a accredited BBB member. A lot of them are rated on there, but they're not accredited. So we're accredited, we stand behind our work, and yeah, that's kind of the gist of it. So
good stuff. So we have loyalty, integrity, local, experienced, and a direct connect, 10 plus years in business, and Better Business Bureau accredited. So call to action here: if you have a broken down or dysfunctional garage door, call Bob, he'll get it fixed. If you have an ugly garage door, you want to increase the value of your home and your curb appeal, and you want something like this on the front of your house, call Bob. He'll swap out your old garage door, put in a new one. So that's a wrap. Episode number 15 of Wally's 3x3. I'm Wally, I sell real estate, and this is
Bob Roloff, Topline Garage Door. Thanks, Wally.
Good stuff.
Good job, buddy.
Cheers, friends. Thanks for watching.